Imagine changing your legs, your core, and even your energy level in just 5 minutes a day, without jumping, without sweating buckets, and without any gym equipment. Yes, 5 simple minutes. Stay with me, because this tiny habit can reshape your body in ways you never expected. Today, I am going to show you a powerful, science-backed squat trick that fits into even the busiest schedule. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it, why it works, and how to use it daily to build strength, burn fat, and protect your joints. Let us talk about what this exercise actually is. This is called the isometric squat. Unlike regular squats, where you go up and down, an isometric squat means you hold the squat position without moving. Your muscles stay under constant tension. Think of it like freezing in the strongest part of a squat. This may sound simple, but this type of training is incredibly powerful. Athletes use it to build strength, physical therapists use it for rehab, and now you can use it at home to transform your body safely. Here is why this works so well. When you hold a squat, you activate your largest muscle groups all at once. Your quadriceps in the front of your thighs work hard to keep you stable. Your glutes in your hips and buttocks fire strongly to support your posture. Your hamstrings in the back of your legs stay engaged to control your position. At the same time, your core muscles tighten to keep your spine upright. This full body tension sends a strong signal to your nervous system, telling your body to grow stronger. Because the muscles stay engaged the entire time, you build endurance and strength together. You also burn calories during the hold, and even after you finish, because your body uses extra energy to recover. Over time, this improves your metabolism. Another huge benefit is joint stability. Many people avoid squats because of knee pain or back discomfort. The isometric squat, when done correctly, actually strengthens the muscles around your knees and hips, which protects your joints. You are not bouncing or putting sudden pressure, so it is safer than many fast exercises. It also improves posture because your core and back muscles learn to stay strong in a stable position. Now let me guide you step by step on how to do this correctly. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly outward if that feels comfortable. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Now slowly bend your knees and push your hips back as if you are sitting on an invisible chair. Stop when your thighs are about parallel to the floor or slightly higher if you are a beginner. Your knees should stay in line with your toes, not collapsing inward and not pushing too far forward. Keep your back straight, not rounded. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. You can place your hands in front of you, on your thighs, or clasp them together for balance. Once you are in position, hold. This is where the magic happens. You will feel your legs shaking. That is good. It means your muscles are working. Remember to breathe. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Never hold your breath. Calm breathing helps your muscles stay active longer and keeps your blood pressure stable. Watch out for common mistakes. Do not let your knees collapse inward. Do not lean too far forward. Do not round your lower back. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Mild burning in your muscles is normal, but joint pain is not.
Knees out.
Now let us talk about the 5-minute routine. This is very simple and flexible. If you are a beginner, hold the squat for 30 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat this 6 to 8 times. This will give you about 5 minutes total. If you feel stronger, you can hold for 1 minute and rest for 30 seconds, repeating 3 times. If you want extra support, you can do a wall squat. Stand with your back against a wall, slide down into the squat position, and hold. The wall helps you maintain proper form and reduces pressure on your knees. As you get stronger, you can increase the challenge by holding longer, lowering slightly deeper, or even lifting your heels a little for extra quad activation. But always focus on form first. Quality is more important than depth. Now let me tell you what happens to your body when you do this daily. After the first week, you will feel stronger in your legs. Standing up from a chair will feel easier. You may notice less knee discomfort and better balance. After about 1 month, your thighs will feel firmer. Your glutes will become stronger and more lifted. Your posture will improve because your core muscles are more active. You may even notice your pants fitting better around your waist and hips. After 3 months, the changes become visible. Your legs look more toned. Your endurance improves. You can walk longer without fatigue. Your metabolism works better, helping with weight management. This exercise is perfect for many people. Busy professionals who have no time for long workouts can easily fit in 5 minutes. Seniors benefit because it improves balance and joint strength. Beginners love it because it is simple and safe. People trying to lose weight appreciate that it burns calories and builds muscle at the same time. You can do it at home, in your bedroom, in your office, or even while watching television. Safety always comes first. If you have serious knee, hip, or back issues, consult your doctor before starting. Warm up your body with a short walk or gentle leg movements before doing the squat. Start slowly. Do not push too hard on day 1. Use a wall for support if needed. If you feel dizzy, stop and sit down. Drink water and stay hydrated. To maximize your results, combine this habit with simple lifestyle choices. Walk daily, even for 10 minutes. Eat enough protein to help your muscles recover. Sleep well because your body repairs itself during rest. Drink enough water. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. 5 minutes every day beats one long workout once a week. Now let me motivate you for a moment. 5 minutes is nothing. You probably spend more time scrolling on your phone. Imagine trading 5 minutes of scrolling for 5 minutes of strengthening your body. This tiny choice, repeated daily, can change how you feel, how you move, and how confident you become. Your future self will thank you. So here is your challenge. Try this today. Right after this video, stand up and do your first isometric squat session. When you finish, comment "Done" to commit to your journey. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple, effective fitness tips that fit real life. Remember, your body is designed to move, to grow stronger, and to heal. All it needs is your decision to start.